I could take 3 minutes of your time, but this should take about a minute and 15 seconds. Start. I'm going to do my best to just put the clock over here. I'm running off the SSD card, and we'll see how fast the MacBook Air gets done. And we're more than halfway through. We're three-quarters of the way through, and we're done at 29 seconds. So 29 seconds, 29%. It's like a percent a second, a percent a second, a percent a second. I'm a broken record. Now, what could I be doing for the next minute? I could come here and continue to do my editing and whatnot. Well, not much more I can do here. I finished with this test. I don't want to pull the card off. I'll take it off later. And I'm not plugged into power. I'm plugged into power. They say when you're plugged into power, you go a lot faster. I don't know how true all this can be. We're a minute and a half in, and I still got another 25% to go. This is not that hard to do. How much CPU is needed? Well, I like a 16-inch screen. I can see more. And I'm going to be checking out a new Mac if this is the case. I don't have to get the best in the line if the low end of the model did its job. Here we are. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. How sweet is that?